She was a good teacher. On paper, everything looked fine, a steady job, decent pay, colleagues, routine, but behind the classroom smile was silence. An inner voice that whispered, "Is this it?" Most days she was exhausted, but not from the work. It was the pretending, the trying to hold it all together. You see, she didn't hate teaching. She just couldn't find herself in it anymore. She felt like a background character in her own life. Day in, day out, commute, marking, meetings, exhaustion. She'd lie awake at night wondering if she'd missed her chance. Her confidence was low, her self-talk brutal. "You're not good enough. You'll fail. You'll look like a fool." Then one day, on a Sunday afternoon scroll, something changed for her. She stumbled across a story, not unlike her own, about a woman who left the old path and became a life coach. Coaching. At first it felt like a wild idea, but something inside her whispered, "What if this is it?" She clicked the link. She downloaded a guide. She spoke to another woman who listened, maybe for the first time in years. And when she walked into that first training room at TLCC, she felt it instantly. This wasn't just another course. It was the beginning of something big. The teacher became the student. She started to rediscover herself. Through NLP training, she rewrote her inner script. She learned how to shift her emotional state, how to lead a powerful conversation, how to help others unlock their potential while reclaiming her own. She didn't just find a new job. She found meaning, purpose, joy, freedom. She started with one-on-one coaching, but soon discovered her real gift was with groups. That's where she lit up. That's where she felt alive. And one day, in front of a room full of people, she realized, "I'm not pretending anymore. This is who I was meant to be." She built a business on her terms. She helped others, changed lives, and in the process, she became the hero in her own movie. This is the story of thousands of coaches at TLCC, real people with doubts, fears, and messy lives, who decided to say yes to themselves and stepped into something bigger. Are you ready? Because this story could be yours too.